In today's video, I will show you step by step how to register and start mining the Omega airdrop so that you also can participate in their first event, their 5 million airdrop. So if you can see the image here, you can see airdrop event 1. You can see December is about to drop a mega surprise for every Omegan. So if you participate in this project, which means you can be receive their upcoming airdrop, their first airdrop. So here they said the Omega airdrop open for everyone on December 10th, 2025 who have been contributing through mining only. Anyone with at least 80 OMG mine will qualify to enter in this airdrop event 1. The window closed on December 25th. Stay active and secure. So you can see today's date is 19, so which means there are still time, or there are more time to participate. If you consistent mine, you can get the 80 OMG token just for 2 days. Just try it, trust me, you get it. So in today's video I will show step by step how to start mining, or how to create an account and start mining. So let's go into the practical. So if you search for Omega network, you will see this. So you can see Omega network. So here you download the app. After download the app, you open it. So here, once you land their interface like this, you tap on register while you haven't registered before. So here you enter your email you want to use for it. After that, tap on continue. So here is the field. You need to fill all your requirement details that have been required here. So here your first name, last name, date of birth, your gender, country, and your password. So let me do mine now. So after fill all your details, then you tap on continue. So here you can see a message to set your Gmail to verify your email. So here what you need to do is to so if you come to your Gmail and you come to copy the code they have sent to you, and you go back and type in your code you copied. After that, you tap on verify. You can see success. You can see here it requires you to sign in again. So here you enter your email. So after sign in, it will bring you to here. So here what you need to do is to enter your referral code to get your referral code bonus, so that you can mine fast. Because so here enter the referral code, check the link, check the referral code on the description section of this video and create your username. So let me do mine fast now. So after you finish, you tap on save. You can see success. So here is the information. A prompt message will come to let you know what about the this airdrop is about. You can read all those things, mine 24 hours and something like that. So you can see here airdrop live for every active miner. So you can see here. So after register on, you tap here. Once you tap on it, an ask will pop up. You can see here start mining. After the ask ends, you can see it have been started mining on here. You can see I have 135 OMG token. So after that, tap on it, you can see you must complete this task to participate at least 80 OMG wallets, right? You must have 80 OMG in your wallet. To increase your reward rate, follow them on X, subscribe YouTube, and follow them on Instagram. So that's how also it is. And we tap on here, you can see we have mainnet, mining season, wallet, and other those things. So let's tap on wallet. Sorry. So you can see here, this is the wallet. So this is the token I am mining. So now I have 134 OMG token. So this is how, guys, it is. So it's very, very important to start to participate in this airdrop, this 5 million airdrop. Now it have disappeared. At first, you can see you can see on this dashboard that 5 million airdrop events coming soon, but right now it have disappeared and another stable coming soon is here. So if you want to invite your friend, you tap on invite here and copy the link and send to your friends, so that you also to increase your reward. So guys, that is how it is. So if you find this video interesting, consider to subscribe to this channel and check the link in the description section or the comment section of the video. Enjoy the channel for further updates like this. See you guys in my next video.